how to send an offer on Upwork to a freelancer. So I'm just going to go to talent and discover, and here I'm going to choose the first person that I see. So from here, after you have loaded up the freelancer's profile, we want to click on the three dots and then click on hire, and here is where we actually fill in all of the information to send an offer. So your hiring team, related job posting if we have created any, or the contract title. Also, you need to fill this in or choose this, whether they're going to be paid by the hour or they're going to be paid a fixed price for the project. You can also change the amount right here. If you click on the pencil icon, you can choose how much you're going to pay them hourly. You can also schedule a rate increase, the weekly limit, how many hours per week they can work, as well as the start date, which is optional. You can read all of this information right here, and arguably the most important part is this, the work description. You will explain what is required of them, and if they break any rules, you can get back to this and tell them that it's in the work description and that they have agreed to it. So basically, just this is the most important part. Write what is required of the freelancer, what you expect of them, and after that, just check this button right here, this option, click on continue, and this will send the freelancer an offer. And if they like what they see and they agree to it, you will get a message right here in your messages that they have accepted your work proposal. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.